Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book to improve our knowledge and become successful in life. Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda is a spiritual classic that provides insights into the life and teachings of the author and his encounters with various spiritual masters. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Early life and spiritual quest. Yogananda begins by recounting his childhood in India and his early experiences with spirituality and mysticism. He describes his quest for self-realization and his encounters with various spiritual teachers and gurus. 2. Meeting his guru, Sri Yukteswar. Yogananda narrates his meeting with his guru, Sri Yukteswar Giri, who becomes his spiritual mentor and guide. Sri Yukteswar imparts profound teachings on yoga, meditation, and the path to enlightenment. 3. Journey to the West. The author describes his journey to the United States, where he introduces the teachings of Kriya Yoga and establishes the Self-Realization Fellowship to spread the message of yoga and meditation in the West. 4. Encounters with spiritual masters. Yogananda shares his encounters with various spiritual masters and saints, both in India and the West. He describes their extraordinary powers, wisdom, and spiritual attainments, illustrating the universality of spiritual truths across different cultures and traditions. 5. Teachings on yoga and meditation. Throughout the book, Yogananda imparts teachings on the practice of yoga, meditation, and spiritual disciplines. He explains the principles of Kriya Yoga, the science of breath control, and the techniques for attaining higher states of consciousness. 6. Miracles and mystical experiences. The author recounts numerous miracles and mystical experiences witnessed by himself and others on the spiritual path. These include visions, healings, levitations, and encounters with divine beings, illustrating the power of faith and spiritual practice. 7. Life lessons and spiritual insights. Yogananda shares profound life lessons and spiritual insights gleaned from his own experiences and those of his spiritual mentors. He discusses the nature of reality, the purpose of life, and the path to inner peace and liberation. 8. Return to India and final years. The book concludes with Yogananda's return to India and his interactions with spiritual seekers and disciples in his homeland. He reflects on the importance of service, selflessness, and devotion in the spiritual journey and prepares for his eventual passing. 9. Legacy and influence. Autobiography of a Yogi has had a profound impact on countless readers worldwide, inspiring spiritual seekers and practitioners of all backgrounds. Yogananda's teachings continue to resonate with readers seeking guidance on the path to self-realization and enlightenment. Overall, Autobiography of a Yogi is a timeless spiritual classic that offers profound insights into the nature of reality, the power of spiritual practice, and the ultimate goal of human life, union with the divine. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!